This LoadMate Plus features our newest arm, the RV-12CRL. The RV-12CRL is the largest member of our low-cost, high-performance series of robots and is a larger version of our highest-selling robot, the RV-8CRL. The RV-12CRL features a 12-kilogram payload and a 1,504-millimeter reach. The robot is controlled by the CR812CVD controller, which gives it the ability to incorporate the Safe Plus module. The Safe Plus module expands the safety functions of the robot to add functions such as safe torque off, safe limited speed, a position monitoring function, safety logic editing, and the ability to incorporate zoned safety by adding a safety laser scanner. We are showing the RV-12CRL with our new R86 TV. The R86 TV features a 10.1-inch high-definition display, customizable shortcuts, and user-defined screens, 3D graphics, and the ability to program the robot via the embedded RT Toolbox 3 programming software. As with all of our robots, the RV-12CRL comes with a 3-year on-site warranty at no charge and is eligible for Robot Diamond Assurance, a prepaid 5-year preventative maintenance program that also extends the on-site warranty to 5 years. The LoadMate Plus is available in many configurations, including different table sizes, 3x3 and 4x4, an attached mounting stand for the robot, a safety enclosure, safety laser scanners, and many more features. We have had many successful installations of the LoadMate Plus with the RV-8CRL and are certain that the extra reach and payload of the RV-12CRL will make a very popular choice as well. For this application, we programmed the RV-12CRL via Direct Robot Control, or DRC. Direct Robot Control is available with our M8 series CNC controllers and gives the user the ability to program the robot with G and M code commands from the CNC's HMI. This option is available at no charge and will give CNC operators and programmers the ability to program the robot in an environment that they are used to and comfortable with. The CNC controller connects the robot via Ethernet and has robot-specific screens for programming. DRC works with any of our robots that use the F or FR series controllers. Please contact us for more information about RV-12CRL or any of our factory automation products.